and I say this, my exposure to massage parlors. And I'm
Well, what
laughing.
kind of massages you be getting, huh?
You talking about the Philippines or the Thailand massage?
Hey, whatever that's in you guys, mental, whatever you guys are thinking about, yes, that's what I'm talking about.
You have to mention the
Oh,
country.
okay. We're talking. I was thinking about like the cucumber on the eyes and
Yeah,
facial and
hey man,
the big buff dude in the white shirt that's half buttoned down.
yo, I'm telling you, man, I'm just I don't want to say it, I'm just laughing because man, I wasn't expecting it. It was a nice beginning to the massage, and then all of a sudden, the freaking lady, man, all of a sudden, I'm like,
Don't go to
I'm like,
Soapy's, man. Don't go to Soapy's.
man, if you're ever in DC,